Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, Fall River, and we're looking at 604 Rock Street, Apartment 5 in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a second floor, one bedroom apartment located in the historic Highlands area of North Fall River. Straight ahead, we have the bedroom here. You can see that the apartment has hardwood floors and we have the electric baseboard heater. This apartment is heated by electric baseboard heaters. The gas utility and water is included in the rent. Turning around here, straightforward, this bedroom has a very large walk-in closet, very well lit. You have the multiple coat rounds here and very large shelving. Perfect for storing extra clothes, anything. Lots and lots of storage space for this closet. Heading back out down the walkway here. To the left, we have a storage pantry closet here. We have some shelving and some cabinets above. Good for storing dry goods, cleaning supplies, whatever you like. Just extra storage to have in the apartment. Opposite to that little storage closet, we have the bathroom here. The bathroom has high quality durable vinyl floorings that is scratch and stain resistant, as well as waterproof. We have the sink here with the medicine cabinet. We have the little light to the left there. Opposite to it, we have the full-size tub and shower. We have a very large shower head installed as well. And then past the shower and tub, we have the toilet there. Moving back out, straight ahead, we have the kitchen area. It's a quaint little kitchen area here. Straight ahead, we have the stove. And then we also have the sink and countertop. As you can see straight ahead, we have plenty of storage space both below and some above. And we have the fridge to the left. Turning around behind the kitchen is the living room area. You can see the nice, beautiful hardwood floors. We have a little storage closet to the right. Straight ahead is a second exit to the apartment. And to the left of that is a fireplace. It is for decoration only, does not actually function as a fireplace. And then the opposite end, we see the electric baseboard heaters and the very large windows, perfect for letting some natural sunlight in. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do get benefits such as an online login where you can make rent payments online and request non-emergency services, as well as access to a hotline number that is 24 hours for all your emergency repairs and maintenance needs. Again, this is 604 Rock Street, Apartment 5 in Fall River, Massachusetts.